Riri bururi wa Kenya uigirite mweri-ini wa kuririkana arwaru a murimu wa kansa ya njira ya uciari kuri atumia. Namba ya atumia aria makuaga oro mwaka ikinyiirie 3,500 guku namba ya arwaru eru a murimu uyu igikinyiria atumia 3,000.
And as we mark the National Cervical Cancer Awareness Month, we must face sobering and unacceptable reality. Cervical cancer is the record most common cancer among Kenyan women, second to breast cancer.
Ni undu wao Ministry ya UGIMA wa MWIRI ni yugite thirikari ya Kenya ni ihotorete kuhukia murimu uyu guku bururi-ini na njira ya kugiririria ikuo iria icungagiririo ni murimu uyu hamwe na kuheana motungata ma urigitani na rua ta uria kwahoteka kuri murwaru mbere ya utheremete makiria na kuhotomia ugima wa mwiri.
Let us be the generation that vow to end cervical cancer in Kenya. Let us leave a legacy. Let us leave no girl unvaccinated, no woman unscreened, and no patient untreated.
Akiaria hindi ya kuruguria mubango wa kuhitana na murimu uyu wa 2026 ginyanagia na 2030, Minista wa ugima wa mwiri ADEN DUALE ni ugite riu gicunji kia 90% kia airitu anini ni kiria mukagira njanjo ya HPV ya kugiririria murimu uyu, guku thirikari gitanya guthurima gicunji kia 70% kia atumia na gutigirira gicunji kia 90% kia aria manyitikana na murimu uyu ni mamukira urigitani na rua ta uria kwahoteka.
Our first pillar is HPV vaccination, the most powerful tool in our arsenal, because it's very critical. And in November of 2025, Kenya made a very strategic transition from a 2-dose to a single-dose HPV vaccination schedule. That the HPV vaccine is offered free of charge to all 10 to 14 years old girls at our public health facility.
DUALE oho ni ugite thirikari iri mubango-ini wa kugacirithia urigitani thiini wa thibitari iria nene guku bururi-ini kwa ndandura ceceni cia urigitani wa murimu wa kansa hamwe na gutigirira kwina arigitani ya kuigana udumwe na gutabaniria mogaruruku mubango wa urigitani wa SHA niguo gutangikira arwaru a murimu wa kansa na njira igwete.
This continuum of care is our blueprint, aligning Kenya with the WHO's global call for the elimination of cervical cancer.
Oho DUALE ni ahinyiririe mathibitari ma muingi hamwe na maandu kiumbe kumenyithagia muingi iguru rigie motungata maria thirikari irugamirire garama ya urigitani ari njira ya kugitira kihoto kia arwaru hari kurihio marihi ma iguru.
Facilities are charging even vaccination, which is supposed to be free.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a. Handu-ini ha Kameme FM njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.